Hi, this is Chris Roshnaut24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing the Zero Translator from TimeKettle. It has 3 separate modes in the software. Here's some quick details. You can pause this video and check them out anytime. It's made for the iPhone, right there. So inside the box, there's some documentation. What we're really interested in is the translating device itself, which is magnetically inserted into this card. So you can put this card wherever you want to while you're traveling for translation. So there it is. It's got the Lightning adapter right there, and it's got 4 different microphones. It's a microphone array. So now we'll show you how this works with the iPhone. So let me just plug it into the bottom, and it will automatically launch the software. And there you go, TimeKettle software, and you can use this to translate from multiple languages. Here's the different settings right here, and you can select which language you want. There's all kinds of different ones to choose from. This is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.